Today we're covering Customising Status in Scrivener 3 for Windows. First, open up the inspector and down the bottom right of the column you'll find the status list. To customise, click on the Edit option. Statuses don't have colours, just names. If you want to repurpose a status, simply double-click on the word and overtype it. To add or delete statuses, use the plus and minus icons at the bottom of the box. If you want new documents or folders to always have a particular status, click on it and select the Make Default button at the bottom right. Otherwise, no status will be selected. You might want to give these statuses a different name, other than status, that relate to what you've chosen to use them for. You can do this by changing what's in the custom title box. Next time, we'll be talking about other metadata items.